Hello everyone, today is 11th of June 24 and I'm here to do the market analysis, post-market analysis for DAX. So let's dig into what news we actually had today. Today is the Tuesday. So we had the UK unemployment rate and Claimant count change. So the number of people who claim in benefits because they are out of jobs. So 7 o'clock in the morning that was, so it was expected to be about 10k. It came at 50, much higher than expected and much higher than previous data. So, and also unemployment rate, which is the most important figure, is actually came higher. So that pushed the market down, and we had this sell pressure. So if you look at the trading view as well, we can see the high importance comments unemployment rate for UK. We had other data, but the biggest one is the unemployment rate that we just spoke about. The other news were not as effective as UK news, in my opinion. Also tomorrow we have the core CPI, expected to be the same, and also the FOMC statement. So and meeting. So it might be press conference. So it might be a tricky day to trade. But having said that, we got the GDP data for UK, which seems like they're predicting to be lower. So that's something for tomorrow. But let's go back to the chart to see what happened, what prediction we had. So on the time frame, on a higher time frame, we can see this so the daily candle is quite bearish, at least till now. I mean, it's not closed yet, but in the 4 hour we can see, so the start of the today we're talking about here roughly. So we're talking about here, so we can see that bearish candles. So it's all red pretty much. So we have also broken out of this trend line, so the long-term trend line on the daily. So let's look at what actually happened. So this is the 3 minutes. So we can see after we rejected this zone, basically this is after the news came out, which was around 7 o'clock. So market retested that zone. Even the news was very negative, but since that point, from about 7:30, like I think when everything got digested, so we can see this ripple, sort of downward ripple. So it is worth mentioning that we couldn't go any higher. We tested the Asian range low. Let's just bring the Japanese. We tested the Asian range low and basically broke it, and that's where I had a trade here after Asian range low was broken. So since then we had this 4 hour support zone, which you can see the price rejected that zone quite nicely, and but we stuck in this range, pretty much this range, which is a 30 minutes resistance zone. So but we can see the first leg of the move, and then also the downward movement. As you can see, that is quite a nice move, but since then I couldn't see any potential sort of trade apart from this one, but having said that, is apart from this, there was not much I could have really traded, because it was New York Open as well. After that, we had this sell-off again to retest this zone. So I hope you found this useful, and I look forward to any comments. Thank you.